Hey guys, welcome back to Chronicle TV. Got a really weird freaking video for you today. So for Christmas, I got my roommate Cena headset for the motorcycle. So he's like, "Well, I gotta get him something now." He got me this, and you probably can't tell what it is, but it is a motorcycle air horn. Here, let me get the GoPro stuff out of the way. It's a motorcycle air horn, is what it is, and so it is currently like maybe 5 in the morning. Let's see. Yeah, 5:07 in the morning. It's 29 degrees outside. It's cold in here. I do have an insulated garage, but it's not super insulated. I can prove to you that it's cold outside because there's snow. Anyway, I woke up at 3 a.m. Couldn't go back to sleep, so we are going to install an air horn on my motorcycle. My roommate's room is like kind of above the garage, so see if we can wake him up afterwards. Another thing is, you guys probably haven't seen yet my, here, let me get a light. My new exhaust that I built myself, for my bike. Stop hitting the button. It's just, straight pipe. There's nothing super special about it. Just, I built the pipes. I kind of used the original ones, and then got some more pipe and added it on there. And I put those exhaust tips on it. I like the way it looks, and it sounds even better. But anyway, guys, that's the plan for this video. I'll probably set it to a time lapse up on my toolbox or something up over there where the light is. And yeah, first I gotta figure out where the horn actually is on this thing. I think I'm just gonna wire it into. Oh, I found it. It's right there. But anyway, I think I'm just gonna wire it into where that was wired into. It has an air compressor. I'll show you guys real quick. This is the air compressor it came with. Let me get over here in the light. Yeah, so it came with this air compressor right here. Comes with an air hose that leads to the horn itself. As you can see, it's got wires right here. Yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna mount this. Probably just on this part of the frame right here. That is my horn. And yeah, let's get to it. I just wanted to take you off the time lapse for just a second. I want to show you, I already got it hooked in and just how it works. So I got my key on. Here's the horn button. Yeah, I like it. Alright guys, so I pretty much got it done. I got the air compressor mounted on to where the old horn goes. It has a mount that literally just kind of bolts right in there. It's kind of hard to get on because the design of it, but that's alright. So I'm thinking to put the actual horn, trumpet piece, I guess, this part. I'm thinking about just putting it on something like that on my forks, but that's not for sure. I was kind of wanting to do it kind of like this, but there's no way to mount it. That's the side of my gas tank, but I think I'm just gonna do something like this. This thing is freaking huge. I mean, it's meant for a motorcycle, but I mean, I could also just put it on my truck if I really wanted to, but I think I'm just gonna put it on the bike, so I guess I'll let you know when I have everything figured out. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done. It's actually a lot later, or a lot earlier. It's early in the morning. Not quite done yet. Got the compressor mounted up over here. I figured out where I actually want the horn. It's gonna be down here. It's not really mounted, it's just kind of sitting in there right now, kind of wedged in there a bit, but yeah, As you can see, turn the key on, hit the horn. I love it. I love it so much. But yeah, I had to do a couple workarounds and everything, and I had the seat off because I had to replace one of the fuses. I blew one. I put just a slightly bigger fuse on there, and it's not blowing this time, so. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. A little bit of a weird video, but now that I actually have a GoPro, which is what I'm filming on, I am going to do more motorcycle videos. Me and my roommate Barnes, that's his motorcycle, the Sportster over there, we did one not too long ago, but we were borrowing someone else's GoPro, and the footage got corrupted, and so excuse me, the footage got corrupted, and we had already gave it back to him before I figured out it was corrupted. So I don't know how that happened, but it doesn't do that with this GoPro, so I'm glad. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.